Mia Antonia. I'm with JLC-Tech. We're a lighting company based out of Boston, Massachusetts, United States, where we manufacture the only lighting products that are approved, designed, and patented to replace the ceiling grid and a suspended ceiling system. We're here at LIGHTFair 2019, where we're inviting visitors to our booth called the JLC-Tech Experience, where they can see hands-on how our lighting products are easily installed into the grid ceiling system.
This year we launched our new product, the T-Bar-Flex. This product is exclusively for the DESIGNFlex Ceiling system by Armstrong Ceilings. The T-Bar-Flex is equipped with the XM clip, designed by Armstrong Ceilings, and seamlessly installs without the use of any tools or field cutting of tiles. With the T-Bar-Flex and the DESIGNFlex Ceiling system, you can now create lighting layouts like never before. From zigzag linear patterns to geometric shapes, the possibilities are endless. The T-Bar LED for partially concealed grid systems is a new extrusion designed by JLC-Tech. This product was specially designed to be compatible with Armstrong Ceilings Vector partially concealed grid tiles and grid suspension systems. The elongated spine on the extrusion allows for the installation of the special tiles that partially conceal the grid from view. The first indirect lighting product of its kind, the T-Bar Up offers fully indirect light while only extending out 2 inches from the ceiling plane. Its unique design reduces direct glare, providing a great solution to meet the luminance requirement for LEED v4 and WELL standard. Add dramatic lighting effects to a space and create a bold statement with our T-Bar RGBW. Capable of both white color tuning as well as full color control, the T-Bar RGBW brings the latest in LED color mixing technology to JLC-Tech's patented design. The T-Bar Eco offers the same key benefits and high-end aesthetics that are present in our T-Bar LED architectural line. With a more basic feature set, but same quality engineering standards, the T-Bar Eco is a cost-effective solution ideal for contractor design-build projects needing quick delivery and high-efficiency performance.
I work in the DC market. The DC market was designed many years ago by L'Enfant, and one of his rules was the buildings could not be taller than the Washington Capitol. The issue with that is a lot of our floor-to-ceiling heights are compacted. So we have no plenum space in any of our offices in DC. T-Bar allows us to put this product in any job that we want. There's no plenum issues. If you have the space for a ceiling grid, you have space for T-Bar in the DC market. It saved a lot of jobs for retrofit work. During the recession, while a lot of people stopped building, they renovated a bunch of the older buildings to bring them up to Class A standards. This allowed a lot of T-Bar to be on the market in DC because of its plenum space size.
I recently had the privilege of working on a project called American Geophysical Union, and they are a fully net zero project in the DC area, and they were looking for a high-tech product that could work with a 24-volt system, and wonderfully T-Bar just really fit the bill because obviously we could go straight to 24 volts. We didn't have to convert back to 12277, and so it really just worked in all their office spaces. And then I recently was able to attend an event there. They had the Aia Awards there just a few weeks ago, and they actually hosted the awards ceremony inside their conference room, and within their conference room was all the JLC-Tech T-Bar linear systems. And the great benefit for that was that they didn't have to cut any of the tiles, so the acoustics in the space were just really wonderful, and you could hear everything with all the awards being presented in this double height space. And so it just really worked out for this project, and in the end it was just a gorgeous project. And with the Aia Awards there, all these other architects got to admire this space, and so just a really wonderful feeling and a great fit for the project.
Actually, a great project that I've been working on is a university dorm project, and they chose the 2-foot T-bar because they were putting this expansion into the basement and they had a lot of pipes. So to use the T-bar was great because it had no plenum issues. So they installed it, and then the next year they wanted to do a couple more dorms, and they realized what was so great about it was that the structural rigidity of the fixture being tied into the ceiling made it not only great for plenum, but also for kids weren't knocking the fixture off. And so it's now rolled into a number of dorm projects. So yeah, a 2-foot fixture, 10 feet on center, it's a great solution for a corridor.
So one of the most unique things about the T-bar LED solution is that instead of replacing a tile with a light fixture, you can maximize the amount of acoustical material in the ceiling. And given that we have so many open office plans now and people are frustrated with their comfort in their work environment, it's important to maximize the acoustical characteristics of the ceiling, and T-bar LED allows that by increasing the square footage of acoustical material.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our products, please visit our website at jlc-tech.com.